guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. It is Darbrisha, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, hey Mommy. Hey girl. You want to say hey too?
Hello.
Welcome back to another vlog, guys.
Hello.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Cuties. Oh, you want to show them pajamas? Woo! Welcome back to another vlog, guys. Today I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. We're going to go out with my mom once again. I'm always with my mom. I already told you I'm like obsessed with her, so I'm with her all the time. And we're going to go out and hang out. As you guys saw, we got ready this morning, did kids' hair, got the kids dressed, brushed their teeth, all that fun stuff. It's not really fun, but anyway, we're gonna get ready to go out. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
What'd you say?
I said, welcome to the walk. Welcome to the walk.
Welcome to our vlog.
Welcome to our vlog.
Oh, let me put this on.
Hey guys, welcome to our vlog. Welcome to our video. Hello, I'm Kaylee.
Here.
And I got the car.
You got on mix.
Oopsies. Yeah. Hello guys, I'm Kaylee. I'm Chippy. I start with K.
Your name starts with K?
Yeah.
Cool. Say.
Oh, I need Trip said I'm Kay and Mommy Darbrisha and I'm called Kaylee.
All right, y'all. What's the problem? Kaylee. All right, we just got finished eating. We had Chick-fil-A. My mama over here looking at me. So, if you're looking at me. All right, and they're jumping up and down.
Tails.
All right, come back.
Go and sit down, baby.
You're making Nana. What are you?
Nothing.
You are something.
I mean, not
I
like
know.
that.
All right. So we had to get some food. Did you have fun in the mall? Did you have fun in the mall, son? Did you have fun in the mall? Yeah. Can't believe my phone. I keep losing. I keep getting the full storage message. So I spent most of the time while I was in the mall deleting videos and stuff. I really need to sit down and spend some time doing that, but it's too much. It's too much. All right, yeah. So I guess now we're gonna go back home. I don't know. Let's see. That was a workout. I
told that lady that.
What?
I said, I ain't coming back in. I don't work at no store. Girl, I don't work at no Walmart. What's wrong with you?
Right.
She talking about it. What? I said, And I don't like that anyway, because I don't like a company who take people living from them. Them people's in there working.
Yeah, that's too
They
much.
can't even work no more. They got a machine in there working. Girl,
So I don't know if this is like true for all Walmarts, but
I saw it on TV.
the
But I
Walmart
haven't got.
by us, it's all self-checkout, girl. No, who doing that?
I had to. I don't work in Walmart, and I come to the store to relax, and you making me work.
Yeah. So unless they change that, that'll probably be my last time going to Walmart and shop.
But the lady was telling me, she told me everywhere gonna be like you gonna have to do that at Dollar General in a minute. I said,
I don't shop at Dollar General, but they shouldn't do that, you know. But yeah, it's a little while later. We went to Walmart to go grocery shopping. I feel like I'm always grocery shopping in these videos or something. Like. But anyway, yeah, your experience was bad.
What you got me on there?
Girl, I'm going to blur your face. Your face is always blurred. One day it'll be unblurred.
Oh my goodness.
All right, y'all, I'll see you when I get home. So, as y'all can see, my fridge is a complete mess. I actually put some of the groceries in here because we had to run and go pick up our car, but sis. So now I really need to tackle this and clean it up and get it all, put together. So I guess I'm gonna do that now. I really don't feel like it. I really just I don't feel like it, but I guess I'm gonna do it. Also, guys, I have a question for anyone who's willing to help me. Should this go here? I had it in the kitchen, but the kitchen is, hold on. The kitchen is, don't mind the tape on the wall, okay? My husband's painting. Anyway, the kitchen is a high traffic area, obviously. Like, we go in the kitchen every single day, all day, and just like in there. So it's white or cream or whatever, and I just don't want it to get dirty. However, this area right here is not very highly trafficked. Like, we don't have guests coming in that much. We always come in through the garage. So nobody really walks on here like that. However, it's like everyone that walks in through here is gonna have on shoes. So should I leave it here by the door? Or should I put it in the kitchen? I liked it in the kitchen. It's very cute in the kitchen. However, I don't want it to get dirty. Children, they're dirty people. No offense to children out there. But it's just hard. I really like it in the kitchen, but I'm thinking that I want to get something that's more like neutral toned and not white for the kitchen, so that, all the white. Like, this is, okay, it was right here. That's the, don't mind that. This is what the kitchen looks like. It's just like a short, narrow kind of space. And that's where I had the other one. Let me just bring it over here and show you. All right, so this is what it looks like in the kitchen. I think it's so cute, but just, man, the white. Oh no, what should I do? Don't mind this tag. I just won't pick up. Anyway, okay, I'm trying to back up so I can show y'all. This is what it looks like. Isn't that cute? Or is it like not even cute? I don't know. I think it's cute. But y'all let me know down in the comments what should I do with this? Somebody help me. Help me. All right, now I'm done wiping down, like, all the shelves and stuff like that. I really want to do, do like some, organization in here. But I don't know how to go about doing that, because it's just such a narrow space. If y'all have suggestions about that as well, please let your girl know, because I need help in in the kitchen area. You know what I'm saying? Like, I need some help. So y'all let me know down in the comments what I should do to organize this. And then my freezer, like, we're not even gonna talk about that. So yeah, now I'm gonna finish putting these groceries up, all the stuff that needs to be put in the pantry. This camera is so heavy. That's why y'all keep like kind of dipping a little bit, because this is heavy. I really need to get a vlogging setup. Somebody tell my husband to do that for me, because this isn't gonna work. I got all this stuff that I need to go ahead and put up into the pantry. So yeah, let's do that. So I ended up wasting chicken juice everywhere. So disgusting. So now I gotta clean all this up. Bleach. Just, I hate raw chicken. It's nasty. Just bring it to me cooked, okay? Okay. All right, y'all. I'm in my bonnet, so you know what that means. I'm getting ready to, wind down and stuff. But I just want to get on here and tell y'all, the whole chicken juice spillage, just, ooh, I can't stand like stuff like that. So it just made me feel all queasy inside. So I ended up cleaning the kitchen, like cleaning the whole thing. I'm tired from it. I ended up washing all the rest of the dishes by hand. And then I wiped down the counters, and then I mopped the floor, all of it. Anybody else out there like that? Like if you see like a bug, or if something like that happens where you like drop chicken juice or something like that, you just end up like cleaning everything. Anybody else do that? Because I think I get it from my mom. Is it hereditary? I don't know. But I get it from her. If something like that happens, I always end up just like feeling like I have to clean really good. So yeah, I don't know if you hear my kids in the background. They're supposed to be asleep, but they're not. Anyway, that's gonna be the end of the vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with me, taking my kids to the store, and I don't know, what else did I do today? I can't remember, but whatever I did, I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me that subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye, y'all.